Hello everyone. Today I will show you how we can use Python on a smartphone, or you can say Android. Most of us use Android phones. So let's begin with some small code like print statement. We write here, let's code on Android. For this we need to go to Play Store. We need two apps. First of all, we have to search PyDroid. I have installed it earlier and using for 2 months. You tap install. If you have not installed it, you installing PyDroid 3. You can write code on this IDE for Python 3. For using advanced features like NumPy, Panda, SciPy, Matplotlib, etc., we don't need to buy subscription. We just have to download PyDroid repository plugin. So this is the PyDroid repository plugin we are searching for. We have to install it. I have already installed. It is around 112 MB in size. This combo is best for Python programming, available in Play Store and for Android. Now let's go to our PyDroid app and set some settings so that it will be easy for us. Whenever we write some code, after exiting it, it will be preserved. So we go to setting, go to editor, and this is primarily off, but we have to on it by pressing here and go back and go to appearance and increase the font size to 20 so we can see what we code easily and it will be good for our eyes. Here is also interpreter and terminal, specifically for using Python in iShell or like Windows PowerShell. So we can use interpreter and terminal as well. We use terminal here by writing just Python. We go to the Python editor in PowerShell. So let's write some print statement here also. I write here print hello world and check whether it is running without error or not. After pressing enter, here we see that hello world is printed, that it runs fine. For creating a new file, we press on this file explorer like icon and press here new so that we can get a new screen. And whenever we write a code, like I will show you by writing print statement again, print hello world. We need to run this code so that we can see the output whether it is running or not by pressing this MX player like icon, which is in yellow color, and we can see that hello world is printed here and it runs fine. This way we can use Python in a smartphone.